Last episode, I arrived September 2013, Heathrow. No passport, no money, 2 words of English. What happened next? Nobody prepares you for. This is what happened. They gave me a place, a small, cold room in a city I did not know, a country I did not understand. They told me to wait, so I waited. Nobody told me what waiting in England means. Nobody told me about the real winter. Not the cold outside, but the cold inside the walls, the floor, the bed. I came from a country where the sun was life. Here, I woke up and could not feel my feet. Not ill, but the heating did not work. I lay there, listening to rain, thinking, what have I done? I went outside, streets full of people, yet I never felt more alone. Not one could hear me, not because they weren't listening, but because I had no words. Their faces changed, confusion, frustration. They walked away. I stood there with a life trapped inside me, no way to let it out. I learned 3 things that winter: to say sorry, to nod, to smile. The smile was the only language that worked, but surviving in silence costs everything. Every day it takes something from you, something small you don't notice losing until it's gone. Still, every morning, through cold, silence, loneliness, I woke for one reason: the letter. The answer from the home office, the yes that would make this mean something. I checked that door every morning, telling myself, today is the day. Today they say yes. Then, in 2014, the letter came. I saw it on the floor. My body stopped. This was it. I picked it up, remembering its feel. The weight of it, my fingers wouldn't work. Breathe. Open it slowly. This is the yes. This moment makes everything worth it. The cold, the silence, not feeling your feet. All about to mean something. I opened it. First line, world silent, rejected. I read it again, rejected. I turned every page, looking for a mistake, a misunderstanding. Nothing. After everything, leaving home, the cold, smiling at people who walked away, surviving on nothing, waiting, they said, no. I sat on the floor by the door in that cold room in that cold country, and I cried. Not quietly. I cried the way you cry when nobody is watching, from somewhere deep. A grown man on the floor, cold, alone, in a country that didn't know his name. Then something happened. Something shifted. I felt it, a decision forming. Before I understood, I stood up, wiped my face, and said, no, not like this. Not on this floor, not in this cold, not today. I would fight, find money, make them look again. I found 200 pounds. Only God knows how. I handed every penny to someone I trusted with my future. That decision was the worst mistake. Follow nobody new. In 48 hours, you'll find out what they did with that money, my trust, my future. Nothing will prepare you.